Alrighty.
All right, you good?
Yep.
All right, let's
Let's
go.
go.
Patrick.
Ooh. Better.
Alright. Yeah, let's do this.
Box out.
I know, I thought you were going to dap me up. Ian, do you want to check on Cyborg just to make sure they're good?
Yeah.
If they want to send over strategy, we can go ahead and do a recap.
Wait for them.
Yep.
We're gonna do like
Once the strategy comes from Cyborg, we'll go ahead and get this going. The plan, I think, right, is you guys are going to empty your full hopper by the 0 seconds, and you're going to have 25 seconds, and you're just going to refill from the fed balls, because us and Cyborg are hopefully going to...
We're only... So the girls are only crossing at the transition period to get a quick small hopper.
Getting just a little bit
Yes.
here.
Otherwise,
Yes, then we'll be feeding, and you can just start picking
after
up.
that, we just sit on the other side.
And you guys are comfortable getting a sum and then scoring that 10-second transition?
Yeah.
Just want to make sure.
So we were just talking about how many times do we cross the bump, and it's just one time.
Yeah, unless we get dry, and then there's balls like right behind our hub, you guys can jump over and grab them.
Sure.
We just want to try to keep the bumps clear, so we don't get like, especially we get defense, right? Those bumps can be tricky, so trying to keep everybody
That was the only
moving.
question we had after the last
Okay.
discussion.
Was
Is
just making sure we're
cross
still
one time only.
I would
unless-
assume-
unless something changes.
I would assume there'll be more balls over here because we have that nice sight line, so we like to. He kind of likes to be like in this section.
Yeah, we can play either corner. So.
You guys, are you bringing anybody else, or are we going to just do a recap? What? You bringing anybody else, or we just want to do the recap of the strategy right now?
We got judges.
Oh, I got you. Okay, well, let's do the recap of the match.
Let's do. Are we waiting for them?
No, they're good. They got judges.
So autos, you on our right side, you on the player side. Cyborg Cats got the left side into the depot. You guys are over the bump and back in. All right. After auto, we'll end off the climber. Go out the right side, 10 seconds. Get that nice little extra. You guys do the same thing, hop on the bump, and then you guys are going way out. All right. Yep. And then you guys are staying out feeding. We'll play when we become active. We'll come in, shoot. If we run out of balls, we'll come back out, but I don't think we will.
We're aiming for this corner.
Yeah, you guys should aim over here. We'll try and stick to this side then.
Yeah, and during our inactive period, you guys definitely can go to our side and fill up. Like, don't be stuck to that side. That's just during active, so we have a ramp and a lane for us to do our move and shoot and all that stuff.
All right, inactive, we'll just pop back out. End game, you guys are going to keep feeding until it lasts a little bit when you're comfortable.
Yeah, and then we'll
situationally.
Yep. Yeah. And then if we run out of balls in the middle, we're going to feed from here.
Sounds good. We'll do the same thing. We'll just feed and then shoot. You guys just shoot the whole time. And then if we run out of balls in the last like 5-ish seconds, we'll hit like a climb. But other than that, we'll just keep shooting. Anything else?
Yeah. You guys should just plan to shoot till the buzzer. So.
All good? 1, 2, 3.
This looks low.
It is low. It's really close.
Okay.
Here's what it is.
Okay, I'll stand over here. Check controllers already. Sweet. This trench is just like barely above. I think it's a little low. Looks fine, but just a heads up. Oh yeah, that's good battery too. Perfect. So there's likely going to be a pile behind our hub. We'll let you guys take those. We'll go a little deeper to get.
Okay, so we are going to cross the pop after.
Right after for that 10 seconds.
Oh, just 10 seconds.
Yeah, after auto. Yeah.
We're trying to leave you the close ones. Yeah.
I told him we're going to grab whatever we can quick, and we're going to go
over here.
You guys are end like right here, so it probably makes more
You're
sense
gonna
to
be
go
doing
right
most of the
here.
shooting, I guess.
That's up to you guys.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by First alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.
2, 1, go! Position number 14 now, and this is the 22nd autonomous period. For the final answer, your players have made the scoring their field in here.
Shots are a little short. We'll look into that.
Down 20 points so far for the Lions.
That looks good.
Why is it losing pose so bad?
They've got a 2-turret system on their robot there.
They got the climb.
And Ratchet Rockers
Remember, jump off the climb nice and smooth. Go over the right bump. Plenty of balls out there. Go, 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 go.
So that period has begun now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You didn't get anything. All right, you're good. You're good. Keep
All this
keep
right
feeding.
here.
1706, that's the Ratchet Rockers.
There's a ton behind their bump.
Yep, 15 seconds. They just pushed a bunch. Yeah,
Yep,
good.
keep
good.
in those, all those. And then sweep. When you come back,
All right, 8 seconds. Start getting a bucket.
Yeah,
sweep those. Sweep them.
All
right, shoot,
shoot. This corner's ton. There's a ton right here. Got a bunch. Pose looks pretty good. Looks good, looks good. You got a bunch right here.
Yeah, you guys
still
can just
good.
keep feeding.
Right in the depot. Still looks good, still looks good. In the climb. Slow spin.
10 seconds.
Sweep around this stuff right up here. Nice.
Get those real quick. 5,
Come back in.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right, feed.
Watch the wall. That's a little.
There you go. All those right there.
Yep.
Start far and come back.
Sweep your way. Yep, nice.
There you go.
In front of theirs.
10 seconds.
Don't get them off. Don't off them.
All right, start getting a bucket. There's some behind the hub. All right, come back. 3,
Sweep this on the wall.
2,
Start
shoot.
shooting.
There you go. Nice.
Start coming back. Good work. Pose looks good. Go all the way back out and get all this. Yep, nice. Looks good.
Go back out. Get another.
Nice. Sweep these back over the bump with you. Nice.
Shoot.
Keep going. Out. Yep.
Get all those behind their hub.
And then come back in.
Come back.
Get these with you. Good work.
Shoot. 15 seconds.
Right here. Right in this corner.
Depot's full.
Pose is, you're a little far. Your pose a little off.
Go to your climb. Go get it. Climb. 3, 2, 1. You're good. They were kind of blocking it. It's all good. Good job, guys. Let's go.
Yeah,
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Go.
I pushed the goal bar.
Okay, what was that?
Oh, trying to grab the balls.
Were you watching the pose?
Hey, just be careful. Go get that cleaned up.
Were you watching the pose estimator at all? It looked like it was off and on.
Yeah, it looks like it's struggling a little bit over the bump.
Yeah.
So it looked like it thought it was closer than it was.
Yeah.
It was.
It was shooting short.
Yeah, it thought it was off and it thought it was spun a little more.
It may be worth making that a little bit slower so I can try to clean up a little bit. Just slow it down because we have plenty of time at the end of the climb.
Right in the very end, he lost his pose right here. When he came back for this last time, it thought he was a foot closer.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little rough in the corners. Cool. Hey, let's go. That's good.
Blue scored 415.
That was good. We missed the climb, but we climbed late.
Have we run depot at all there? I don't think we have.
No, we
didn't
haven't.
start climbing, our auto got off.
But it's kind of like slowing it down.
went over the bump and thought it
me.
was different.
And it looked like we have plenty of time at the end for the climb. So
If you
we're.
had to guess how much time.
Yep.
I would say we have at least a half second.
1, 2, 3.
So look at what it
Yeah, it
gets
was like,
you. Slow it down.
yeah, look at that.
Maybe make that pass
All right.
and a better orientation for the tags.
3, 2.
But not a big deal.
Robot almost
Oh,
like
that's all right.
a circular motion.
Good.
Shooting.
Let's look at it. We'll look at it.
That's pretty good. Other than the climb. Yeah. It was a little.
Yeah, it was a little messy with the red robot over there. I guess these teams don't necessarily know about the tower protection. So
all the other things you don't get.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AndyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AndyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at AndyMark.com, the AMPD AndyMark Power Distribution Board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's AndyMark.com.